Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Tudor period outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this color and then combine it with this hair, but you're going to choose only bangs and make it the same color. And then you're going to put on this headband and then you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and for the toggle, you can choose toggle 2 and put on this item. And then you're going to color it with this color for all the selection. Except the third selection. And then put on this necklace, make it this color. And then combine it with this necklace. You're going to make it this color and also black and white. And then put on this earring, and then you're going to apply this pattern for the earring. And then this necklace, you're going to make it black. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to choose this corset, this one. And for this corset, I'm going to choose toggle 1, and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection. For the second selection, I'm going to apply this color, and for the third selection as well. And for the fourth selection, I'm going to apply black. Okay, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves, and for the sleeves, I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection. And for the cuffs, I'm going to apply this color, and also for the lace. All right, and then I'm going to go to this masculine area and put on this jacket. And for this jacket, I'm going to choose only sleeves, and then I'm going to apply this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room, I'm going to choose this menu. And then we're going to put on this corset from the witch set, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, apply this pattern except the lace. For the lace, I'm going to apply this color. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with this dress, and then we're going to apply the same pattern for all the selections. Okay, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves from the witch set and apply the same pattern. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to go to the cuts item and put on the Sabrina Carpenter dress, and then we're going to apply the same pattern. And I'm going to go back to this menu, put on this skirt and apply the same pattern. And for the lace, just color it with this color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this Tudor period outfit and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.